Welcome to Strategic Leadership in the AI Era with Brian C. Jensen, your go-to resource for navigating the transformative power of artificial intelligence. In each episode, we explore emerging trends, best practices, and actionable insights to help you lead confidently in a world shaped by advanced technology. Now, here's your host, Brian C. Jensen.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Strategic Leadership in the AI Era. I'm your host, Brian C. Jensen. Thank you for joining me for our third episode. If you've been with us from the start, I appreciate your commitment to exploring how artificial intelligence is reshaping the business landscape. If you're new to the series, welcome. I'm excited to have you here as we delve into today's topic: innovating business practices with AI technologies. Innovation has always been the lifeblood of successful businesses. In today's rapidly evolving market, the ability to innovate isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. AI technologies are at the forefront of this innovation wave, offering unprecedented opportunities to rethink and enhance business practices across industries. In this episode, we'll explore how AI is driving innovation, examine real-world industry examples, and discuss strategies for integrating AI into your organization's operations. First, let's consider the role of AI in driving innovation. Artificial intelligence enables businesses to automate routine tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic activities, analyze vast data sets to uncover insights that were previously inaccessible, enhance customer experiences through personalization and responsiveness, predict market trends, allowing for proactive rather than reactive strategies. By leveraging these capabilities, organizations can develop new products, services, and processes that set them apart from competitors. Now let's dive into some real industry examples that illustrate the transformative power of AI. 1. Manufacturing industry. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation and predictive maintenance are revolutionizing production processes. Example: Siemens, a global industrial manufacturing company, implemented AI algorithms in their Amberg electronics plant. The AI system monitors machinery and production lines in real time, predicting equipment failures before they occur. This proactive approach reduces downtime, increases efficiency, and lowers maintenance costs. As a result, Siemens has seen a significant boost in productivity and product quality. 2. Retail sector. Retailers are using AI to enhance customer experiences and optimize inventory management. Example: Walmart, one of the world's largest retailers, uses AI for demand forecasting and inventory optimization. By analyzing shopping patterns, seasonal trends, and external factors like weather, their AI systems predict product demand with high accuracy. This enables Walmart to manage stock levels efficiently, reducing excess inventory and minimizing stockouts. Additionally, Walmart employs AI-powered chatbots to improve customer service, providing instant support and personalized recommendations. 3. Healthcare industry. AI is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient care. Example: IBM Watson developed an AI system that assists oncologists in cancer treatment. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, research papers, and patient records, the AI provides evidence-based treatment recommendations. This supports doctors in making informed decisions, leading to better patient outcomes. Hospitals using this technology have reported increased accuracy in diagnoses and more effective treatment strategies. 4. Financial services. Financial institutions leverage AI for fraud detection, customer service, and risk management. Example: JP Morgan Chase implemented an AI program called COIN, Contract Intelligence, to review legal documents and extract important data. What used to take lawyers thousands of hours is now accomplished in seconds, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots handle customer inquiries, providing immediate assistance and freeing up human agents for more complex tasks. 5. Agriculture sector. AI technologies are enhancing agricultural practices through precision farming. Example: John Deere, a leader in agricultural machinery, incorporates AI and machine learning in their equipment. Their tractors and harvesters use AI to analyze soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns. This data-driven approach allows farmers to optimize planting, watering, and harvesting schedules, leading to higher yields and sustainable practices.
These examples highlight how AI is not just an add-on, but a fundamental component driving innovation across various sectors. So how can your organization harness AI to innovate your business practices? 1. Identify areas for improvement. Start by analyzing your current operations to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, or areas where data could enhance decision-making. Consider customer interactions, supply chain management, production processes, and administrative tasks. Second, set clear objectives. Define what you aim to achieve with AI integration. Objectives could include reducing operational costs, improving customer satisfaction, increasing sales, or accelerating product development. 3. Choose the right AI technologies. Select AI tools and platforms that align with your objectives. This could range from machine learning algorithms and natural language processing to computer vision and robotic process automation. 4. Collaborate with technology partners. Work with AI experts, technology firms, or consultants who can provide the necessary expertise and support. Collaboration can accelerate implementation and help avoid common pitfalls. 5. Pilot and scale. Begin with pilot projects to test the effectiveness of AI solutions on a smaller scale. Use the insights gained to refine your approach before scaling up across the organization. 6. Foster an innovative culture. Encourage a culture that embraces change, experimentation, and continuous learning. Innovation thrives in environments where employees feel empowered to explore new ideas and technologies. 7. Address ethical considerations. Ensure that your AI initiatives comply with ethical standards and regulations. This includes data privacy, transparency, and mitigating biases in AI algorithms, challenges and how to overcome them. Data quality and accessibility. AI systems require high-quality data. Organizations often face challenges with data silos, inconsistencies, or incomplete data sets. Solution: invest in data management practices, including data cleaning, integration, and governance. Establish a centralized data repository accessible to relevant stakeholders. Employee resistance: introducing AI can lead to concerns about job security or changes in job roles. Solution: communicate transparently about the purpose and benefits of AI initiatives. Provide training and upskilling opportunities to help employees adapt to new technologies. Resource constraints: implementing AI can be resource intensive, requiring investment in technology and talent. Solution: start with projects that offer quick wins and demonstrable ROI. Use these successes to justify further investment. Explore partnerships or cloud-based AI services to reduce upfront costs. Keeping pace with technological advances. The AI field evolves rapidly, making it challenging to stay current. Solution: establish ongoing learning and development programs. Encourage participation in industry conferences, webinars, and professional networks focused on AI and innovation. Key takeaways: AI drives innovation across industries. Real-world examples demonstrate how AI transforms business practices, leading to increased efficiency, better customer experiences, and competitive advantage.
strategic integration is essential. Successful AI implementation requires careful planning, clear objectives, and alignment with business goals. Overcoming challenges is achievable by addressing data quality, employee concerns, resource limitations, and keeping abreast of technological advances. Organizations can navigate the complexities of AI adoption. Culture matters. Fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and ethical responsibility is crucial for maximizing the benefits of AI technologies. Action steps for your organization. Assess readiness. Conduct an internal audit to evaluate your organization's readiness for AI integration, including technical infrastructure and human capital. Educate and involve your team. Provide learning opportunities about AI technologies and involve team members in discussions about potential applications. Explore partnerships. Consider collaborating with startups, universities, or technology companies specializing in AI to gain access to cutting-edge innovations. Develop a roadmap. Create a strategic plan outlining your AI initiatives, timelines, resources required, and expected outcomes. Conclusion: innovation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. Embracing AI technologies positions your organization to continuously adapt and thrive in a competitive landscape. As we've seen from industry examples, the possibilities are vast and the rewards significant. By strategically integrating AI into your business practices, you can unlock new levels of efficiency, customer satisfaction, and market leadership. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Strategic Leadership in the AI Era. I hope our exploration of innovating business practices with AI technologies has sparked ideas and inspiration for you and your organization. In our next episode, we'll delve into augmenting strategic planning with AI analytics, where we'll discuss how AI can enhance forecasting, risk management, and strategic decision-making. If you found today's discussion valuable, please subscribe to the podcast, leave a review, and share it with colleagues or friends who might benefit from these insights. I invite you to share your thoughts or questions. You can reach out through our website or connect with me on social media. Let's continue this important conversation about leveraging AI for innovation and growth. Until next time, I'm Brian C. Jensen, encouraging you to lead with vision and embrace the transformative power of AI.
Thank you for listening to Strategic Leadership in the AI Era with Brian C. Jensen. We hope today's conversation inspired new ideas and innovative thinking. Be sure to join us next time as we continue exploring the cutting edge of AI, leadership, and strategic growth. Till then, keep leading forward.